Good afternoon, Namaskar, everyone. So, today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 14, our environment. Please open your book, everyone. Yes. I hair cutting, yes. Yesterday was Sunday. Uh, I have done hair cutting, yes. Fine. Thank you, beta. How are you all? Hello. How are you all, children? Do you all hear my voice? Okay. Let us start now. Please open your page number 171. Every one of you. Yes, I will tell now you, everyone. Please open your page number 170. Everyone. Please off your video. Who have opened their video, please. There is some voice problem is cutting. That's why Happy Pandit, please off your video. I hope that you all are well. Did you open your textbook, everyone? Let me see that how many of you present. 33 students present is here. First we do the mantra, Gayatri mantra, 3 times. Everyone, join your hands, close your eyes. Om Tatsavituvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Tatsavituvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. So, children, be ready now. Our environment. I would like to take your presence. Wait for a minute, everyone. Here is first one, Ania, Basaya, Ans, Anil Kumar, Archan, Ayush Bua, Harvi Gami, Daksh Rajpura. After that, Dharm Barasra, Rubin, Ranpadia, Yani Gami, Yani Patel, Pepper, Harshil, Happy Pandit, then is Sanja, Ria Ardeshna, Pat Kundaria, Mahi Menpara, Mahi Sheta, Nek Patel, Hil Kopat, Naitik, Vishal, Nitya Nityatilva, Om Kakashania, Asti Panara, Rudra Aghara, Shlok Adruja, Surya Vanscharia, Shia Patel, Risha Aghara, Yana Dhamsania, Deshvisheta, Jati, Vilpara. These are present. So let us start, students. Are you all ready? Please confirm on chat. Then I start. Okay, fine. Let us start now. Now I would like to unmute any one of you randomly. He or she has to read. Harvey Gami, I unmute you. Harvey,
Yes, sir.
please on your video. Please on your video.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Harvey. How are you?
How are you? I am fine, sir.
I am fine, thank you. Please read
Pollution.
from first paragraph. Our environment, page number 170. Page number 170.
So, sir, from here over the years,
Yes.
over the years, human activities have caused our surroundings. The question. Partner is that he has collected from the planet. Do you think he is doing the right thing?
Okay. Stop now, Bharvi. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let me unmute. Let me discuss about this paragraph. Please off your video, Bharvi. Over the years, human activity have caused several harmful changes in our surroundings. Due to the human activity, there is harmful changes in our surrounding is happening. बहुत सालों से ये चलता है over the years. Look at the picture and answer the questions. There is a Manoj, a gardener, is burning dried leaves that he has collected from his garden. गार्डन में से जो ड्राइड लीव्स कलेक्ट किए थे वो उसको बर्न कर रहा था. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हियर इज, डू यू थिंक ही इज डूइंग द राइट थिंग? कैन यू गिव मी आंसर, Bharvi?
Oh, sir, it's not right. Because
Not right.
it
Why?
caused pollution.
It caused
Air pollution.
Yeah, it caused air pollution. Very good. Fine. Good answer. They no. I like to another children. I would like to now refer. Please, I unmute you. Please, on your video, what is your full name? What is your full name?
My name is so I the only name.
Kalp paper. Okay, fine. Please read now. Second question, and what's your answer?
What is it? What is it?
Leading to. क्या होगा? अभी भारवी ने आंसर दे दिया. Did you listen that answer? हाँ, it leading to air pollution.
Air pollution.
Air pollution is
Air
the correct
pollution.
answer. Did I write it? Yes, fine, good. Write it with pencil in your textbook. Everyone, there is only one word.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So second answer is air pollution. Now let us move to third one. I would like to unmute any one of you randomly.
Yani Patel wants to answer.
Yes, please. I will tell now. Dhyani Patel. I unmute her. Okay, Dhyani,
Dhyani Patel
is
is
on your
left.
video. Left. Okay. Dhyani Patel is here. Okay, Dhyani, I unmute you. Please
Sir, he
on your video, Dhyani. Dhyani, please on your video.
Yes, sir.
How are you, Dhyani Patel?
I am fine.
Okay, then read the third question that given.
What should he have done instead?
Instead.
Sir,
तो
he should
burn करने की जगह
throw
पर
it
where?
in garbage.
Throw.
Sir, I can.
What,
Sir, he had
Dhyani,
fired
please,
sir, he had fired right. डस्टबिन में डाल देना.
no. डस्टबिन में ठीक है, बट व्हाट ही हैज टू मेक, वो भी उसका भी यूज होगा. He has to make manure. He has to make manure. And as a manure, he has to use it. As a manure, he has to use it. Understand everyone? ये सूखे पत्ते वगैरह जो है, that they have, उसको एक पीठ में डाल के, उसको भरी करके, उसको पीट करके उसमें डाल के, after some days it convert into manure, and that manure is very helpful to farmer in field. Right, children? Everyone understand?
Last answer is
Sir,
what?
I read pollution paragraph.
First listen everyone.
Sir,
So the third answer, please. He should make manure to use it in field or garden. Please write. This is answer in your textbook, every one of you. With your pencil, did you write everyone? Then I move to another paragraph. Please confirm on chat. I will send PDF, so don't worry about it. Okay, let us learn more about these harmful changes. So I will now unmute any one of you randomly. Say Shlok Adruja. Okay. Shlok, I unmute you. Please on your video.
sir, I can
How are you,
read.
Shlok? Yes, pollution.
I am fine. What about you?
I am fine, thank you. Please read now.
Everything that surrounding us from our environment and so harmful and into the
We are not hearing your voice clearly. Shlok, please off your video. We are not hearing your voice clearly.
Yes, what?
प्लीज आपका माइक अपने पास रखिए, मुंह के पास रखिए बेटा.
Everything that surrounding us from our environment. The introduction of harmful substance into the environment because of human activity called the population.
पॉपुलेशन नहीं है बेटा,
There are
पॉल्यूशन।
many pollution. There are mainly four types of pollution. These pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. The air pollution. Industry and vehicle are the...
Stop now, stop. Okay, fine, good. Let me understand you, all of you. Pollution. Everything that surrounds us from our environment. This is a simple definition of environment. Everything that surrounds us forms our environment. जो हमारी आजू बाजू है सब चीज, that is called environment. The introduction of harmful substances into the environment because of human activity is called pollution. Human activity के द्वारा harmful substance जो environment में add होते हैं, that is called pollution. There are mainly four types of pollution. These are, first one, air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. These are the type of pollution. Now, first one, air pollution. I would like to unmute any one of you randomly. So, wait a minute, everyone. I would like to unmute Om Kakasenya. Om, I unmute you. Please on your video.
Yes,
And read
sir.
air pollution. How are you, Om?
I am fine. How about you, sir?
I am fine, thank you. Read now.
Air pollution. Industries and vehicles are the main source of air pollution. Burning of garbage also leads to air pollution. Air pollution may cause a number of deadly diseases such as lung cancer and asthma.
Very good, fine. So let us understand this paragraph.
Thank you.
Good. Now, air pollution. Please off your video. Fine. Industries and vehicles are the main source of air pollution. Industries और vehicles air pollution के main sources. Vehicles से भी बहुत सारा harmful gas, जो carbon dioxide निकलता है, that is very harmful for our environment. And also from industries, there is so much smoke and gases released in the atmosphere, right? So that are the main sources of air pollution. Now, burning of garbage also leads to air pollution. Garbage जैसे ही आप चीज को गर्म करोगे, इसको जलाओगे, it releases carbon dioxide. So it is harmful for environment. Air pollution may cause a number of deadly diseases such as lung cancer and asthma. Air pollution से deadly disease होते हैं, lung cancer, asthma. Asthma means जो सांस फूल जाती है, that is called asthma. That you know already. Now there is one picture also given, air pollution. There is जो vehicles के silencer में से जो धुआं निकलता है, smoke निकलता है, that release pollution in environment, that you know. Harmful gases होते हैं, carbon dioxide, mainly carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide is that. Now green corner we have to read. If you want to go somewhere, walk as much as you can. आपको कहीं जाना है तो आप जितना चल सकते हो उतना चल के जाओ. Use the bicycle instead of using vehicles. that run on petrol or diesel. व्हीकल्स की जगह पर बाइसिकल का यूज करो, क्योंकि व्हीकल्स जो है पेट्रोल और डीजल वहाँ उसमें यूज होता है एंड इट रिलीज हार्मफुल गैसेस इन एनवायरमेंट. So instead of vehicles we have to use bicycle, but it is nowadays vehicles are increased day by day, but there is solution of that. We should increase more and more trees, because trees take carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen, pure oxygen. But we have to reduce, we have to control air pollution. We should use bicycle and short distances वहाँ पे चल के जाना चाहिए. Okay. That way you can reduce air pollution and be healthy as well. ये तरीके से हम एयर पोल्यूशन रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं, कम कर सकते हैं and healthy रह सकते हैं. Now let us unmute. Let me unmute any one of you randomly. Another children. 1 minute. Shreya Vascharya. I unmute you. Shreya, please.
Yes.
On your video.
Yes, sir.
How are you, Shreya?
I am fine, sir.
Okay. Read next paragraph.
Sir, I read water pollution.
Yes, yes.
Water pollution. Industries are a major source of water pollution. Household and industrial waste released into water bodies pollute them. Activities such as washing clothes or bathing animals in rivers, especially in rural areas, also cause water pollution.
Fine, good. So let us understand this paragraph. Please off your video. Here. Fine. Now, water pollution. Industries are a major source of water pollution. Industries सबसे बड़ा सोर्स है वाटर पोल्यूशन का, क्योंकि वी नो दैट इंडस्ट्रीज में से जो वेस्ट वाटर निकलता है that is polluted water, and when it mixed with the water bodies like rivers and ponds, it will spread pollution. It will spoil that good water also of rivers and ponds. Household waste, industrial waste are released into water bodies. Water bodies में वो डालते हैं and that pollute them. कौन सी activity? Just like washing clothes or bathing animals in rivers, especially in rural area. रूरल एरिया मतलब गांव का एरिया में अभी भी ऐसा होता है, क्लॉथ वॉशिंग वहाँ पे करते हैं रिवर पर जाके उसके किनारे पर. सो इट इज नॉट प्रॉपर बिकॉज इट विल क्रिएट वाटर पोल्यूशन. बाथिंग एनिमल्स अपने एनिमल्स को रिवर्स में नहलाते हैं एंड दैट इज कॉज वाटर पोल्यूशन. देयर इज some pictures given below this paragraph that you clearly saw that these are how water pollution goes. Okay, now let us move to next page number 172. Everyone be ready. Page
Sir,
number
Jhani wants to
172.
read.
Okay. I will unmute, beta. Let me tell you all. Let's remember you have to do in homework. I will give some hint to you. Look at the picture and list one of the activities that would be polluting the air, land, or the water bodies. That in homework that you have to do. So that you have to do in homework, please. Remember it. Now we move for land pollution. I will unmute another children. Let me unmute any one of you randomly. Sia Patel. I am muting. Sia Patel. जिसका टर्न नहीं आया है, इनसे उसको okay. Sia Patel. I unmute you. This on your video. Sia
Yes,
Patel.
sir, I on my video.
Okay, Sia, how are you?
I am sad. I am fine, sir. What about you?
I am fine, thank you, beta. So please read
Okay.
next paragraph.
Okay. Land pollution, dipping of solid waste,
Dipping नहीं है बेटा, dumping है. Hello.
Dumping.
Dipping नहीं है, dumping.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Dumping of solid wastes such as plastic bags, glass bottles, and metal containers causes
Metal
land
containers.
pollution. Yes.
आगे का read करो.
Roots of trees hold the solid together. Deforestation causes
Soil together.
soil together.
Soil लिखा है.
Deforestation. Yes. Deforestation causes strong winds and water to carry soil particles away, leading to soil erosion, the wearing away of topsoil.
Okay, now let us understand about this paragraph.
Yes, sir.
Land
Thank you,
pollution.
sir, for coming my turn.
Welcome, beta. Please off your. Okay, land pollution, dumping of soil waste. Solid waste हम डालते हैं लैंड पर, like plastic bags, glass bottles, and metal containers. That goes, वो क्या, वो किसके लिए responsible है? Land pollution. It goes land pollution, right? Because we know that plastics are non-biodegradable, right? Plastic decompose नहीं होता. Plastic, glass, metal, they cannot decompose easily. सालों तक पड़ा रहता है. So it creates land pollution. And roots of tree. इसकी जगह पर roots जो होते हैं trees, कोई को पकड़ के trees हमको रोकता है और deforestation से रोकता है. Deforestation causes strong winds and water to carry soil particles. Deforestation अगर होगा, कैसे होता है? Strong winds and water, बहता हुआ पानी ऊपर का टॉप सोइल को पूरा ढोल के ले जाए उसके साथ. Soil particles away, leading to soil erosion. That means that is called soil erosion. The wearing away of topsoil. The topsoil को पूरा जो ऊपर का लेयर है, ऊपर का जो क्रस्ट है, वो लेयर को पूरा बहा के ले जाएगा. Right? And next paragraph we will do tomorrow, children. So bye everyone. Have a nice day. Bye. Have a nice day to every one of you.
One day.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.